Okay guys, hope you're okay. Welcome to my camper van tour and my noisy son in there. It's Vauxhall Vivaro. I think I've finished it now, so we'll have a look quickly around the outside and have a look at what's inside. So, tidy van. I've put these designs on myself, called it the Wolfster. Everybody is going to give the van a name. I like the picture of the wolf there. So it is a tidy van. So yeah, not done too much with the outside apart from tidied up. A bit of a roof cage up there, held on by bracket bolts, easier for strapping things like your tent and the tarp and things like that to the van. So yeah, I've got a light buoy there, and I don't know whether I can reach. There's a light buoy on the top, and up the top fitted this frame, easier for strapping tents on, tarps, anything like that. Plenty of strong cable ties and also bracket bolts. I won't be going anywhere. These things, I think they're for carrying pipes and whatnot for builders. I've kept it on. Sometimes I do go fishing. Put the fishing rods up in that, so that is handy. Excuse me, noisy son. We'll have a look inside. So it is tidy. Van needs a good wash, because it does get used well. Plenty of room in these vans. They're not the biggest vans you can buy, but decent for 1 or 2 people. So under these muddy feet there is, put the lights up, an inverter fitted just to give that extra backup for power. That's wired up to the battery. You can plug things in there. Nothing too powerful, but it will run a TV, a mini fridge, anything like that, and also charge up your phone, iPads or anything. But I've also got a power station in the back, so we'll have a look in the back. Okay, it's been good, aren't you? So if you are new to the channel, you've probably seen this before, but I've done a few things extra. This is the sleeping area. Plenty of comfortable sleeping bags there. Self-inflating air mattress at the bottom. Seats, 3 seats. I've kept these in just in case. You never know, they might come in handy, so I put the bed area on these seats by levelling it out. Storage is important in a camper van. So right along there I've got my wood chairs, my 2-man tent. I've got all sorts. It just levels everything out. There's a TV under here, so just got a cover over it, keep the dust off. Blackout curtains all around. That's going into the back here. There was a plastic panel on here which did separate the front of the back, but I didn't think that were ideal for practical reasons, safety reasons as well. I want to be able to access the back on the front, so I cut that out so I can climb through to this bed area, and then I can open these curtains and get through to the cab if I need to. Don't want to be sleeping in the middle of the night and I need to have to go outside my van. I can get through. It's a pretty unique way of getting around the van, but I don't really want to take this bulkhead out with these chairs, so I'll compromise. So into the back, all basic, but it's how I like it. Like I said, the curtains open, you've got your sleeping area there. I like this camo roofing, so I fitted that. Some pop-on lights there. I don't use them, but they're good for emergencies. The battery lights them, and it's absolutely covered with them. Some hooks I can see hang my clothes up there. Bit of decor fans, they're brilliant. Them USB fans, really quite powerful. Got my light, got another light there. Little toolbox, fire extinguisher. That's my food. Look, a bit of shelving. Storage under my little chair. Plenty of storage there for the gas canisters. More storage here, 2 bags there. Most important, having your storage when you've only got a bit of room in the van. Electric cooker, gas cooker, little heater, and under here we've got power station, Eco Flow River 2, 300 watt power station. That'll run TV, mini fridge and the like. It won't run anything with heating like a kettle or a stronger heater. That's just a 150 watt heater, but I am going to get a more powerful power station. Water bucket, USB tap is just behind that bucket at the minute. It's not screwed on, but USB taps, so you can easily get water. Yeah, so stored behind here you got my chair, my toilet, water, and like I said, that water bucket with the USB table, so I can set that out the back for cooking on. I've got everything I need, basic stuff guys. Alpi cold fridge. Freezer goes from +20 down to -20, so I'll do like that. The spare wheel is behind that netting. So the cozy, it's not a big posh refined effort as you can tell, but it's cozy, it's how I want it. I like the outdoors, so I'm in and out all the time, plenty of dirt and mud being walked in. But it's got everything I need at hand, it really has. Plenty of storage, like I said, in these bags. It is important having lots of storage. You want everything out of the way, you don't want too much clutter, but on this side it does look a bit cluttered, but that's just my snacks and food and everything. All the pans, kettle for the gas stove are all in that black storage unit. More blackout curtains for the back, so I can open these doors, I can sit there, I can look out. If the sun's a bit too hot, I want a bit of privacy, I can close them. Got them on each side. So that's about it really guys. Ideal for me, doesn't cost too much, but it's great for getting out there and sleeping out in the van. And that bed in the back, like I said, just climb through there, so comfortable. Got my TV which is plugged to the power station. You can run it off the inverter, but it's not recommended running things from your car battery really, because that's how you've got to do it. You definitely don't do it when the engine's off. Love it. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do like anything like this, please do subscribe. I've got a 4x4 X-Trail and making that into a micro camper. Love doing stuff like this, so plenty of these sort of videos. You lot take care. Please do subscribe. Little noise is banging, I think he wants to get going. Speak soon. So there we go guys, the Wolfster. I like it. I like this bit of decor I've done. I like the name. I like the wolf. Just had a panic because I thought I'd lost my keys, but little sunshine here. I stuck them and thrown them down there. So that's where they went. Kids, you love it, don't you?